Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Good evening, good evening, good evening, beautiful people of the universe, wherever you are. Here is yours truly, Nilo, also known as Kakang Nels. Today, in the morning at 7:26, Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025, we will go up to the Licabitos Hill, wherein you can see cactuses or cacti all over the footsteps going there. There. The fruits of these cactuses are edible and safe to be eaten. Where I was, and we proceed. Over there is the top of the Licabitos. In few more minutes, we'll be there. So bear with me as we go up slowly to avoid being exhausted. Here is one taverna or restaurant, taverna as they call it, restaurant. There's a nice view. Still empty because opening will start soon. It's 7:28 in the morning. There's the resto staff as he is busy preparing the area. I can see one runner over there, another one, look, and more up the hill. These umbrellas will be opened later because we have still scorching heat. And the previous days, there were heat waves. There is the Acropolis. Beside it is the Aeropagos where I was yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yesterday. Because I had no work yesterday. So today I'm going to have work at 10 in the morning. That is my call time. There is the Acropolis. Beside it is the Aeropagos Hill there. You can see the beauty of Greece, especially this time or even earlier when the streets are not busy yet. And the weather is quite cold. Cool, not cold. Sorry for that. So we go up. Here they put candles in the evening. Resto operators put candles here to give beauty to the footpath. As you can see, it's clean. Pine trees. And oh my God, more cactuses to go everywhere. When we went up last December 2004, all these were already safe and ready to be eaten. And I picked some of them. However, They are not as tasty as the ones that we buy in the market, because these are wild. Look. They will turn yellow when they are ready. There are the Christmas trees. From this, I don't know, I don't remember now the name. Christmas trees, because in the Philippines, we decorate this tree during Christmas season. And more cactuses or cacti everywhere on the slope of the hill going up. Hi to my only viewer, to my sole viewer, Richard. This is ready. I will try. No, it's risky. I will try if I can. Yes, I will try this one. But beware, this is pricky, and you need gloves or some safety materials to put over your fingers, because they will be, otherwise your fingers will become itchy because of the tiny needle-like things of the fruit. Anyway, we can find more on our way up. I was not able to pick one to try if it is ready. More. These are the trees, the Christmas trees. In few minutes, maybe 5, we will be there. This one is almost ready. These two, with these writings on the leaves. Okay, I think from tourists all over the world. There. The trees. Three more minutes and we are there. These are absolutely ready. But I'm afraid of the pricks that they bring once they are touched. There is the hill and the chapel at the peak. I am tempted to pick one, but later. Maybe when I go down, back home. These two are ready because it's the season of this fruit. But it extends until December, because not all of them are ready at the same time. Like this, they're just starting to grow. And this almost ready. And there is ready. Those fruits there. And these two. This. And the names as well, of course, they are ready to be read. Maybe I'm planning now I have the idea, I'm planning to write on my name in one of the leaves. Here you go. I think if I could write my name in Greek, but the thing is that I am so naive, or I'm so stupid about their language. Here. How is it written? Is it like this? Hey, help me, people who are watching now, who are in Greece or who have background of the language, the Greek language. I'm etching my name to be remembered forever. Wait, I'm going to look for a better tool, for a better stick. This stone maybe, or this pebble maybe. I'm going to hold it, the leaf. No, not yet red. Wait for a while. Oh, I have my key. Remember, my keys rather. Here you go. Yeah. Much better with my keys. And the small lambda L, I think, and the Omicron. Oh, wait, to keep you hanging. Okay, it's almost close. Nilo. On the other leaf, as we go forward, as we move on, I will write my popular name in Facebook and in some other accounts, social media accounts, that is Kakang Nels. Kakang Nels is coined from far in the Philippines, in the Ilocos region. When we say Kakang, it means an older person. Like Kakang Nels is just some address of respect from younger ones, or to my friends or colleagues with the same age bracket. So where I'm going to write in that area that is visible to people. This is fully loaded. Maybe this is wealthy. Hi to Sister Gemma Bellio, who is also here, living in Ferrayos, nearby the port. This is Lavra, Inka Alice, Mikal. This is ready, but later on as we go down, rather, because you are included in this adventure. There. Kakang Nels, maybe, but not in Greek this time. Oop. Where can I inscribe my name? Here. Jagger. Sir. Yes, here maybe. Just wait. Bear with me. I will show you my hand, my arm. It's full of thorns. I did not notice it. Ka. Kakang, oh my God. It's long that it cannot be read or cannot, kakang. Anyway, next. At least I have proof that I have climbed the Lycabettus Hill. Nails. Anyway, I will write one more. Here it goes. Taran, kakang. No, not visible. Look at my arm. Look. The only ones. From the fruit which I have unknowingly touched. I will not rub it or scratch it. I will leave it as they are. Okay, there. Here is ready. Temptation is always here. So, here you see, names, dedications are here, but it's for nature, meaning this from the bottled water, the plastic ones which bear the names of the company or the names of the bottles, they are here. Look, if I can find, here I found, I like the pink one. This is Mitsikeli. Yes, Mitsikeli, it's in Greek. So I will take out the plastic or the label and to tie here for remembrance safe keeping. That once in my life, I've been to the hill. Oh, wait. Oh, yes. Here we go. I have with me the label, the plastic label of the bottle, the water bottle. I'll put it at the entrance from here to there. So, bear with me again as I will put down my phone. For easier doing. There I put from Nilo. So from now on, I will be remembered. There, I put it here. Freshly put, while others are already fragile. And, this one. No. They're durable because these are plastics. Okay. So here I am, going to the Lycabettus. This is Nilo. Once from there is Kakang Nels, and over down over is Nilo in Greek. Okay, we move forward. So the 3 minutes destination, the time of destination is already 10 minutes or more because of the too much blah blah blah. Kuya Judy is my neighbor. And Hermenegilda Ellen, Howie, these are my neighbors. I was there last night in Helen's place with some of my other friends. And Kuya Judy is our neighbor, just 40 meters away from where I live. And so with Helen or Hermenegilda. Ano mga yan, bro? What do you mean, Sister Gemma? The plastic ones? When you go to Paris, there's that bridge, I think, if I'm not mistaken, with keys and with padlocks. It's like this. For remembrance keeping, this one's down. I'm going to zoom in, like. So are you referring to these ones? These are what I was telling you. And of course, obviously, these are cactuses or cacti. Some are ready to be eaten. Look. Oh my God. It's pricky and itchy. Okay. Yes. Names and more names, thousands if not millions of names. Oh, we are almost here. We are almost here. Oh my God. I couldn't believe that I have done it. It was a long plan that now is materializing. We go down there and we go up. Up. Amazing and overwhelming. The hill is very clean. Almost there. I'm biting out one of the thorns here. As we move up, here's the cat. Pupas. Ella. Bravos. Look, I love cats. Akala niya may pagkain. It thinks that I have food to give it. Names, and we are absolutely here. Some more steps up, and we are here. OMG. Amazing. It's heaven. Look. The belfry, the bell tower. Here, and the chapel. Thank you, Lord, for bringing me here. It's 7:49 in the morning, Wednesday, the 27th of August 2025. Look, let us look down from this fenced or secured area, not to fall down because it's steepy and it's high. Look. So from this, we can see again the beauty of the center of Greece, Athens, and nearby areas of Athens. OMG. Here is the only big olive tree, and there are 4 olive trees growing on the pots. 1, 2, 3, and another one, 4. We move around. This is where we were. With these CCTVs around, so no one could cheat. Yes, the bell tower. We move closer, but it's enclosed, so we should not barge in without permission. Otherwise, he would punish us. Look at that. Oh, the bell right at the front of the chapel. Isn't it amazing? The color, the scenery. Oh my God. It's like I am ready I'm ready to go. If He tells me to go, of course, I would obey. With this kind of saying farewell to the world, I wouldn't complain. Look, have a touch of the olive tree, so that all the thorns that prick me would disappear. Here is the purpose maybe of the olive tree. And olives can kill all diseases of any kinds, from cancer to even to the worst, from AIDS, the HIV, if you know how to use it. Even the leaves, the bark, all of the parts are edible and of different uses. So almost gone. Some more scrub, and no. Some more. That once in my life, I have touched this blessed olive tree. To take out the thorns, now almost vanished or gone. They're almost gone or vanished. I don't feel even irritated. I don't even get irritated. So I'm going to touch it, the other palm. This is what I do when I jog. I touch trees, especially big trees, to give, relaxation to the palm or even parts of the body. So just a tip for the early risers and for those like me who walk briskly or jog or even run, or even the cyclists, even all athletes. Take it from me, it is proven to be true by me. Maybe some scratch of the body from this blessed olive tree. Look at that. And hi to all my viewers. 1993, says Gemma Bello, Sister Gemma. In 1993, we climbed the hill of Licabito. So, how many years, Sister Gemma? It's more than 38 years? 7 plus, no. Yes, 38 years. I don't know if my mathematics is accurate. Help me out, Sister Gemma. 1993. Anyway, it is recorded already in the comment section. And hi to all my viewers. Only few of them. You can say your prayers verbally or mentally. And I'm saying my prayers as I having the video mentally. It's not necessarily to be recorded in the video, as it would appear that I am proud or boastful and arrogant. There, wow. We go behind the chapel. We go behind. What lies ahead behind this chapel? The exit may be up. We have been here, or we were here like 10 years ago. I don't remember. The first meeting with the first communion with the Licabito City, it was 2016, if I remember it well, 16 or 15. Yes, exactly 10 years ago. And the second one was last year, 2024. And here is the third, the 27th of August, 2025. So, nearly about a year ago. Here's the back of the chapel. And these are cafes, cafe stations. It's closed. Some more cafes there. We were able to sit down here for a sip of coffee. That was 10 years ago. And the price would still at that time affordable and reasonable. We stayed here in one of the seats here. There's one more cafe here, or even more, as we discover. Yeah, one cafe here. Cafes, cafe bars, coffee bars. We go, where to go? Look at down. I think that is like a makeshift theater. Look at the, yes, from there. Makeshift theater that is made up of iron. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, there. Yeah, it's a makeshift. No, it's not really a makeshift because it's there permanently. But it's so amazing because it's my first time to see a theater, or let's say an open theater, performance theater that is made up of steel. Usually, they are made up of marbles here. Okay. We go up again. And in a while, we will be going down to go home because it's 7:57 in the morning already. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, beautiful people of the universe and of the world. We are in the Cabitos Hill, and beside us is the chapel and the belfry as well. So this is all. Bye-bye. I'll see you again. No, not see you again. I will not end up the video yet because we are going down. I'll bring you down. We will go down all together until the last part of the last footstep of the hill. And this time I would be having the chance to pick one of the fruits, or even fruit, because it's a plural already because of the same variety that's cactus. The fruit are, it's in grammar, I think, one kind of variety or one variety. So it, whether they are millions, but they can be called fruit of the same variety. Here is my favorite flower. We call it in the Philippines alfalfa, but I like the bigger ones, the bigger pink. This. And this, where am I to, where should we pick up? Tell me, which area should we pick up one fruit? And we will all eat it together. So we're going down to where we were. I couldn't remember already where my name was inscribed. Was there. And I'm planning, okay, that's I'm not going to write again to give room for people, for millions of people from all over the world to inscribe or write their names on these leaves. We are going down. That's why, if you can see, we are moving fast. Here we go again. Remembrance is like a logbook that once you need to log in, and I logged already in from there, at the last part. Thank you. And we move down. More fruits. Where is my name written? It's somewhere here. Kakangnas. Here, exactly here. It's not visible. Anyway, the thing is that I have written tried to write my name on, and I did it. Where is the, okay, from here, with bare hands, to experience the pricky and thorny. Here we are picking now, and go. We will eat all together, this fruit all together. So we will have a sit to enjoy the fruit and to know if it is okay, the taste is okay. But I have to get, maybe this one would help. Yes, that plastic one. Oh. Oh, wow. Some more. Yes. Oh, juicy. Look. Could you eat this fruit the way I prepare it for us? Or no? You will say, yuck. It's so, disgusting. It's so awful to eat the way I prepare it. But I'm going to eat it. Here. Sweet. I tell you. Very sweet. And it's free. No one prohibits you to pick, for as long as you don't destroy the tree itself. One more bite and we go down. Absolutely no thorn lodges on my tongue. The third time, hopefully, and we are ready. We should throw the plastic, as one of my missions in my regular vlogs is to clean as well the environment. Like what I did yesterday in Aeropagos Hill over there. Al Summit, over there. There you see the Acropolis there, on top of the mountain. There, the signature of Greece. I mean, it's the the marker of Greece. Parthenon, Acropolis, Greece. Great Wall of China, Philippines. China, of course. And what of Philippines? Rice terraces in Baguio City, or in the, yes, I think, could be. Or maybe Palawan, the beaches in Palawan. Or Boracay. There. So I hope you enjoy our live vlog. Few more Kembots and we are down. Oh, there, I see garbage bin. So we throw this that we picked up here, and bye-bye. Pigeons looking for food at 8:05 in the morning. Oop. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? It is. Indeed. Garbage bin. In 2 minutes, we will be saying bye-bye to the beautiful Licabitos Hill. And maybe your part is to research about the information of the place in Google. Just try Licavitus Hill, Greece, and you will be given the background or how it was built or constructed. I mean the chapel on top, and who was or who were the responsible people to have this materialized. We go down and down and down and down. This rest house again that we passed by when we were going up this area. So that signals us that we have to reach our destination in a while, meaning going down. Here. The cactus, the fruit, helped me quench my thirst. More down, and we are done. We say bye-bye. There's an airplane hovering the hill there. There. So this is all for today, guys, or for this vlog about Licavitus. I'll see you more in my future vlogs, so don't or just watch out for more. Bye bye. I love you all.